Hey everybody, it's Neil and I want to show you all what I have here. I have the swivel attachment here and I'll show you guys what I'm talking about and what this is and how it will work if I can get it open. Here we go. So this is what it looks like here. So it's a little clip on, so it'll connect up onto something here and then you can tighten it up with this here. So you've got a, it opens up and so you can snap it around something, and then you've got your little swivel pull on it. So if you wanted to hook it up to something, you're able to hook it up and you have a nice little swivel pull. So how cool is that? So it's a nice little device here and you can make it nice and big. So this right now is probably about 3/4 of an inch, but you can obviously make it way bigger here or smaller. It'll suck in and it'll tighten up however you need to make it fit. So cool little device, and so you can just tighten it up on stuff and then you'll have a nice little swivel. So cool if you need a swivel for something, and then it kind of rotates around like that, and then I think you can push that to pull the end off. So if you don't want it, if you want it to not be accessible, just have the little hole on it, you can do that, and you can push and it comes back on. So super cool little swivel. This is what it looks like up close, and you can push that in and then it comes attached, and here's that. Even comes with the little thing for it. So super cool. Thumbs up.